How to enable developer options on any Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can enable developer options on any Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to enable developer options on the Android smartphone, it is actually very simple to do so, because all you have to do is first of all just launch settings on the Android phone, right? Once you launch settings, just scroll, just try to look for it in the system tabs or maybe in the about section, where you will be able to find this option called build number. So no matter whichever phone you're using, sometimes it will be inside software information, you'll find this option known as build number. And once you find build number, just make sure to do multiple tap on it many times, which means approximately up to 7 times, and it will ask you for your phone's passcode. So go ahead and enter your phone's passcode and then hit the arrow option. Once you've done this, you have enabled developer settings. Now you can simply try to look for developer options over here, and then you'll be able to find them. Here I wouldn't really recommend you mess with everything, because sometimes if you don't know what you're doing, just stay away from it. If you know what you're doing, you can always reset it back to later on, so you can check that out if you like. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.